Look at this mess. Stay tuned, I'm going to show you how you can fix it. You need a bucket of water, and you need some 2000 sandpaper. We're going to wet sand this. Here in the tougher areas where it's not coming off, I'm going to go down to a 400 sandpaper. Be careful when you use this because it will dig into the paint and start removing the paint. The idea here is you want to just get the old clear coat off. You don't want to have to fix the base coat. So go lightly if you use the 400. And you should get rid of this clear coat. If you don't get rid of this, you're going to see that when you go over it with the new clear coat. See right here? Went too far. That's why you gotta be careful. Come over here and repeat the same thing on these sections. Here's what it looks like now. In order to hide these imperfections, I'm going to go over it with some flat black. And we got to cover this up here. Make sure it's dry. Just putting a very light coat. Here's what it looks like with the base coat on. Now I'm going to start applying the clear. Need to use some buffing compound to clean this up over here. Here's the bumper.